Hi everybody, I'm Artist Mark A. Foltz. Today we're going to do part 2 of Heaven's Windows. I'm going to show you why I left these little white spots there, because that's where the blue sky pokes through. When you fill this in, it should be finished. Anyways, we did part 1, but now this part's a little bit more intricate. And what you got to do is just kind of barely just touch that area. You don't want to touch any of the black area, just the white areas. And kind of slowly fill. It's a time process here. You want to make sure you get almost all the white areas. And water your paint down a little bit so you got that transparent kind of stained window effect. And you can use little tiny brushes too, but I like to use a little bit of a larger brush to get it done faster. Just try not to touch any of the dark parts, because that'll not look very good when you do that. Like I said, I'm showing you how I do this so you can see that the process takes 2 parts. You can't do this right when you get it done because it'll just totally muck. Stays nice and clean this way. Keeps your edges nice and clean and the color's nice and vibrant this way. And if you find a big space like this, it's really a lot faster. Look at that, see, it's a lot faster to fill that area. It's like a watercolor. It's kind of a Gucci process. Gives it a really nice 3-dimensional effect. There we go. Now you want to leave a little bit of whites, not a lot. They cause a little bit of contrast, and so you want to leave a few there. You don't want to completely kill them. Like I'll leave that little dot there, you know, like a little tiny bit there. These little dots. And basically it's just a really thin veil of paint. But that's not even enough to write home about right there, so I'll just leave that. Now if you do manage to hit some of the black areas, no biggie, you just wipe them off with your finger and a little bit of wet, a little bit of water. Just wet your brush, clean it up like this, and just kind of just blend it out if you touch some of the dark areas. See that? Like right here on this edge, you want to just kind of thin it out. You want some of the white to kind of show through, just like a watercolor would use their whites for light. It's the same thing here. Gives you that stained glass window effect. I created these paintings a long time ago, this style. And it's called a fragmented style. And it's kind of like, you know, a nice fractal of patterns. Fractal patterns are repeated in most of those drip paintings. Well, in this one, it's repeated, but it's done in a process to where they're all blended into each other. Thick and thin. So basically, like a lean over thick, kind of backwards. Anyways, if none of you, if you don't understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about when I talk about this lean over fat, it's a painting terminology used in oil painting, but I'm using it in this abstract form. And it's giving me a nice 3-dimensional effect by putting thin colors down after the thick colors have dried. I don't want to get too technical, I just want to show you how cool this is. And you can variate how much thickness of blue you put down as well. Some areas are a little lighter, that's okay. See how that's looking? It's looking really good. It's almost done, boys and girls. Almost done. Like I said, I don't want to leave too much of the white. The whole idea is to cover all these little areas. That's the name, Heaven's Windows. think we have it. It looks pretty good. There we go with that part, and now I'm going to edge finish it. Now this is a thick gallery wrap, so I normally don't paint on these, but I got a pretty good deal on these, and normally they're very, very expensive. But they messed up one of my orders, so they gave me a good deal on this. But I'm going to show you, as you guys know, I don't use a brush for edge finishing. I just apply it with my hand. I paint a lot with my hands. Kind of hands-on kind of guy. Here we go. So that's how you edge finish. A lot faster than using a brush. I have a video on that I did. And you can use a brush if you want. I'm just saying I choose to do this. I prefer this method. Just do it with my hands. There we go. So I just do that so it has a nice finished look right on that edge. Anyways, thanks for checking out my second part of this video, and there you have it. Heaven's Windows. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks.